Sum of terms of an AP. If you have an AP 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, if you observe carefully, we see that the sum of first and the last term is 14. The sum of second and second last term is also 14. Sum of third and third last term is also 14, right? So we have three groups of 14, and that will give you the sum of this AP, right? Or we can also write it as that there were 6 terms divided by 2, add the first term and the last term. And that should give you the sum of all the terms of this AP. And this works for all the APs. So in general, I can say n over 2, the number of terms divided by 2, the first term plus the last term of the AP gives you the sum of n terms of that AP. Let's consider the AP as A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. And the last term as L. So the second last term will be D less than that. So L minus D. The third term will be D less than that. So L minus 2D and so on, right? So sum of these terms, if I write it as Sn, that will be equal to A plus D plus A plus 2D and so on up to L. If we reverse this series, so we get Sn is equal to L plus L minus D plus L minus 2D plus and so on up to A. If we add these two equations, we get 2 times Sn is equal to A plus L. Adding the second terms here, D will cancel out, so you get A plus L. Similarly, adding the third terms, 2D will cancel out, so you have A plus L, and so on up to the last one is also A plus L. So you have n groups of A plus L. That means 2 times Sn is equal to n times A plus L. And from here we write Sn is equal to n over 2 times A plus L, where L is the last term here. And if we use the formula for L, we'll get Sn is equal to n over 2 times A plus L, which is A plus n minus 1 times D. That means Sn is equal to n over 2 times 2A plus n minus 1 times D.